Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the exciting world of AI tools and platforms. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a tech entrepreneur, or someone looking to dive into machine learning, I'm here to help you navigate through the powerful platforms that are shaping the AI revolution. First, we'll take a look at some of the most popular AI platforms available today, and then we'll dive into a hands-on demo to build a simple AI model together. Finally, I'll guide you on how to choose the right AI tool for your projects, so stick around for the full breakdown. Let's get started. Popular AI platforms. Let's kick things off by looking at some of the leading AI platforms you can explore today. 1. Google AI, TensorFlow, and Google Cloud AI. Google's AI suite includes TensorFlow, an open-source platform for machine learning, and Google Cloud AI, which offers pre-trained models as well as tools to train your own. Google Cloud AI and TensorFlow's logo. TensorFlow is especially popular for deep learning applications like image and speech recognition, while Google Cloud AI allows developers to integrate advanced AI tools like Vision AI and natural language processing, NLP, into their applications with ease. 2. IBM Watson. IBM Watson is another key player in the AI space. It offers a range of tools, from Watson Assistant for building conversational agents to Watson Studio for data science and machine learning. Watson Studio's interface. The strength of IBM Watson lies in its ability to handle natural language processing and AI-driven data analysis, making it a powerful choice for enterprise AI solutions. 3. Microsoft Azure AI. Next, we have Microsoft Azure AI, which offers machine learning services, conversational AI tools, and cognitive services such as face recognition and language translation. Microsoft Azure Interface. Azure is known for its flexibility, with both beginner-friendly tools and advanced customization options, allowing developers to tailor AI solutions for their specific needs. 4. Amazon Web Services, AWS. AWS offers SageMaker, a powerful machine learning platform that allows you to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. AWS SageMaker Dashboard. AWS also includes a variety of pre-trained AI services for developers, such as recognition for image analysis and comprehend for text analytics. AWS AI tools are renowned for their scalability and integration with other AWS services. 5. Hugging Face. If you're into NLP, natural language processing, you might have heard of Hugging Face. It provides cutting-edge models like BERT, GPT, and T5, which are crucial for text generation, sentiment analysis, and more. Hugging Face Model Gallery. Hugging Face's platform is especially great for researchers and developers working on NLP tasks, as it provides state-of-the-art models and easy-to-use tools for fine-tuning. Now that we've covered some of the top AI platforms, let's get our hands dirty with a demo. We'll be building a simple machine learning model using Google's TensorFlow. Let's see how it works in action. Building a simple AI model. For this part, we'll use Google's TensorFlow to create a basic AI model that can classify handwritten digits from the famous MNIST dataset. Step 1. Setting up the environment. Open up Google Colab, which is a free tool provided by Google that allows you to run Python code in your browser. Colab interface. Type in the code to install TensorFlow. Step 2. The MNIST dataset consists of 28 pixel images of handwritten digits. Load the dataset using the following code. Step 3. Pre-processing the data. Next, we need to normalize the image data so that it's easier for the model to learn from. Step 4. Building the model. Now let's define a simple neural network with 3 layers. Step 5. Compiling and training the model. Compile the model using an optimizer, loss function, and metrics. Step 6. Evaluating the model. Finally, we evaluate the model on the test dataset. And that's it! In just a few minutes, we've built and trained a simple AI model that can classify handwritten digits with decent accuracy. How to choose the right AI tool for your project. Now, let's talk about how to choose the right AI tool for your next project. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming. So here are a few key factors to consider. What are you building? Is it a simple chatbot or a complex computer vision system? For smaller projects, platforms like Hugging Face or Azure Cognitive Services are easy to use and come with pre-trained models. For more complex tasks, you may want to consider platforms like Google Cloud AI or AWS SageMaker. If you're new to AI, go for platforms with a low barrier to entry, like Google Colab or IBM Watson. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and plenty of resources for beginners. If you're working in a cloud environment, you'll want to choose a platform that integrates well with your existing services. For example, if your company uses AWS for cloud computing, AWS AI tools will integrate seamlessly with your infrastructure. AI platforms can get expensive, especially for large-scale projects. Make sure to compare pricing models and take advantage of free tiers when you're just getting started. For example, Google Colab is free, and most platforms offer free trials. Different platforms excel at different AI tasks. If your focus is on natural language processing, Hugging Face and IBM Watson are great options. If you need advanced image recognition, Google AI and AWS Recognition might be better suited. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the world of AI tools and platforms is vast, but with a little guidance, you can find the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an advanced developer working on complex AI projects, there's a platform for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like and bell button for more AI tutorials and tech insights. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching my video.